Hello everyone and welcome to Fixture number part 2. Now in some of the other tutorials I'm talking about locking a name into the fixture by using the master pin. We can also give all the lights a fixture number to have it match our lighting desk. Now giving the lights a fixture number, maybe you rather want to give it a name when using the app for instance, then in the fixture number field in the app we can actually add text instead of a number. From the previous tutorial onboard lights, I already locked the name as you see here in the app, the Astera Light 1 and the Astera Titan 168. Now if you rent lights, it might happen that the rental company already have locked the name into the lights. In many cases it's desired to name the light so it's easier to identify later, either by the fixture number, which I'm talking about in another tutorial, but we can also give them a temporary name. The way to set a temporary name is actually being here on the list of connected lights. So if you have 24 lights paired or 2 lights just as I have, then we just go into the light settings, which we simply just do by pressing the light. Giving them a temporary name can be done even though a name has been locked into the light or if it just have the name by default from the factory. Now to do so, we press the name up on top in the app, and here up on top you will see fixture number. Down below we can see locked name. I locked it in our onboard lights tutorial. It might not be obvious, but simply just press the fixture number field right there, and then we can, for instance, say fill right. Press the OK button and then we have added a temporary name. You will also see up on top that the name we just assigned is now given to the light. That we can do with the other one as well, so naming them here, if it's more desired to have text instead of a fixture number, then you will have to do it light by light. The temporary name we just gave to this one tube, you will also see it being displayed here, simply just to be able to identify them later. Now again, this is a temporary name, so when we, for instance, reset the light like this, then you will see it goes back to the locked name or to the default name which was in the light before. So if you rather want text than numbers, then this is the way to do it. There are several other similar tutorials, which is master pin and also onboard lights. This can teach you how to lock a name into the fixture and also for fast take back in the warehouse. Then we have the fixture number tutorial, which is simply just inputting a fixture number to match what you have in the console. It might not be obvious, but now you know that you can input text where you can input the fixture number as well. Thank you for watching.